Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $0.04337 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Gala Games chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Gala Games, after making its lower low down there, we started that massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we have this Elliot structure in blue having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.06278 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliot wave contour to the upside of this Elliot structure right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that larger Elliot wave contour between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.03925 mark and the $0.03373 mark. And it is within this blue target area that is down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. And once the low for that second wave is in, then we can expect the formation of this wave 3 to the upside, and also be able to sketch out new target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, and I believe we are seeing such a scenario over here where we can term this as the wave A, then a wave B giving us a peak at around the $0.05324 mark, and I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of these higher Elliot wave contour. And once that happens, then we can expect our wave 3. And for that move to also play out in the formation of that wave C, we need to continue holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, because a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart could trigger a bit of a short-term bullish movement here on the chart, in a move that could take us to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.04348 mark. And in case we manage to break above it and maybe see a retest, then the short-term bullish movement might continue seeing higher prices. But in case we continue holding below the 20-day MA, which is now acting as resistance, then that fully supports one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, and also fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And if I use the trend-based Fibonacci to sketch out a minimum target area to the low side in the formation of this wave C, connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the high of that wave A to the low of that wave A, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave B, that gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave C, using the fib ratios 1:1 fib ratios at around the $0.03053 mark. And that is the new target area that we can expect in the formation of this wave C, which will be fully maximizing our target areas and also losing the fib level 0.618 in case such a move plays out. I think that this target area, this blue target area, is going to hold and give us the low for that second wave. And once that happens, then we can expect our massive run up in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators before I can give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave C, and also fully maximize the formation of that wave 2. Also taking a look at the market, we have been able to print a bullish cross, and that suggests that there are chances of seeing a bit of a short-term bullish movement over here, in a move that could give us a break above the 20-day MA, and also give us a bit of a short-term bullish movement here on the charts. So we also need to have that in mind. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, We started the bear market where we had been seeing no prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us the low for that higher ETH wave count 2, and after seeing the low for that higher ETH wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala games to do here on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.